Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1966 Ford Factory 5 Cobra, obviously a replica with the Factory 5 make. Again, these cars were made famous by Carroll Shelby, the original ones back in the 60s. In the latest film, Ford vs. Ferrari, you can learn about Carroll Shelby and what he did with the Fords over the history, and prior to that with American Motors, his Shelby cars. This is titled as a 1966 Ford. It's a Factory 5 Mark III. Engine is a 302. Has MSD Ignition, 4-barrel carburetor. It does have a Ford 8-inch rear axle. It does the Holley 4-barrel, as I mentioned. Coated side pipes, Wilwood brakes, chrome wheels. Again, the paint is black. Looks very good. No issues on the paint. Go around the pole here. This pole we're trying to navigate. See the white stripes. Roll bar. We'll go ahead and open up the trunk since we're back here. It's not much to see, but you do have the battery. Very easy, accessible, clean. You have some storage. Throw your eggs back there. If you eggs and milk, go to a grocery store. Fuel cap. Again, paint is in great shape. See the Cobra floor mats. Does come with Simpson harnesses. As I mentioned, Ford 302 power in this vehicle. If you have any questions, please call us at Classic Cars of Sarasota, 941-355-1955, or you can visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Again, paint is in very good condition, no issues, no scrapes, no scratches or dings. Show you the front end. A lot of times in Florida you'll get the love bugs that will eat the paint if you don't wash it or if you take it out, or you get some rock chips. This doesn't have either of those. In great condition. No scrapes, no rock chips. Again, a beautiful piece of American history here. It is a replica. It's obviously a true Cobra would be $1 million or more. This here, you can have a replica Factory 5 and have just as much fun, if not more, because you don't have to worry about driving around a $1 million car. It just looks like one. We'll go ahead and start it up here as well. This does have a fuel shutoff. Go ahead, turn the fuel on. And again, as I mentioned with the Mark III, it does have a little, it's hard to see with it being black here, but the floorboard is indented a little bit, so taller folks can get in and out. I happen to be a little over 6 feet, 6'2", and can get in and out of the vehicle very well. Not an issue, so that is nice for taller people. Is just under 9,000 miles at 8907. The attack and all the gauges. Horn. And then we'll go ahead and all the lights, fuel pump, starter is all underneath the dash here. So we'll go turn that all on. You can see the lights are on out there. Fuel pump and power. And let's go ahead and start this up. Again, you have that, to me, fantastic sound coming from side pipes. Again, just raw car, nice wood steering wheel. Rear camera. Love to hear this idle. Again, just raw vehicle here. A joy to drive. Again, very nice driver. Had fun in this. Go ahead and shut it off so you can hear me. Make sure we shut the fuel off here. And if you are interested, again, please call us at Classic 941-355-1955 or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com to see this beautiful Factory 5 Cobra 1966 or any one of our other 86 cars in inventory. You can see a few here. We have a 190 SL that is sold, waiting for shipping. 57 with an LS in it. 55 here with some modifications. 69 Nova. Maserati C8, a Speedster replica, a couple Ferraris and a Viper, some Roadsters, Model A, and then over there you'll see a few more vehicles. We have about 86 in inventory currently. Again, if you're interested in this Factory 5 Cobra, please visit our website, Classic Cars of Sarasota, or give us a call at 941-355-1955.